kicks off. A great match expected here today. As I look around the stands, there seems to be no lack of support for either side. A splendid occasion. Hold on to your seat for the next 90 minutes. And he's been kicked out with the long ball. Kyriakos stays on the ball. Anatolakis knocks it long. Very promising indeed. Puyol. Xavi. Luis Garcia. Out again. Another throw. Sergio Gonzalez. Cesc Fabregas. Rugged defending, and that's really got the crowd going. Capdevila. No, it's been snuffed out. Will he find the target now? Luis Garcia. They're in again. Sails wide at the left post. Not bad effort though.
He got the shot off well and had the keeper beaten, but he just wasn't able to hit the target.
Played. Aristeas, really careless pass there. Puyol. Luis Garcia. Xavi. Cesc Fabregas. Well worked to win possession. Amanatidis. This is a good overlap. Well worked to win the ball. It's a neat one through. The opportunity for a ball in to open the score. Torresidis. Ball given away. Held by the keeper. Puyol. Got too much weight on the pass through. Xavi. Sergio Gonzalez. I have to say the crowd is adding to this as a spectacle. The noise they're making is terrific. They give away possession. Capdevila. No way through. Katsouras. Opportunity from the through ball. Crosses towards the centre, safely in his gloves. And he's created space. Cesc Fabregas. Can he keep his footing and get the cross in? Wins possession to stop the attack. Gekas. Setaridis. That was careless. Torresidis. Sergio Gonzalez. 5 minutes to go to half-time, and the way this is shaping up, I don't think we're going to see a goal before then. A tremendous through ball, and a header! There it is, sailing past the keeper. Everyone, even the commentators up here, were thinking we wouldn't see a goal in this half, but it has come, and it should give them quite a lift.
A clinical finish, that one. He struck the ball beautifully into the right-hand corner. There was plenty of power, but with accuracy to keep it away from the keeper.
They've taken the lead here, 1-0.
That's a great time to score, and they'll go into the break in high spirits. The manager will now be a bit more pleased with their first half performance.
Will he hit the target? Wins the ball, great defending. The referee looks at his watch, only a few seconds left here. Good ball in, could give them another goal here. Chance! There is half-time. The players from both sides head for the changing rooms. There might well be a bit of sorting out needed during the interval.
Well, obviously, I'd like to go to the break on level terms.